In this video, I will show you how to download TikTok videos with no watermark. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description that we share with our viewers for bonuses and resources. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok and then click on the share button at the bottom right of the TikTok post. In here, go ahead and click on that copy link button instead of the save video option. So saving the video from TikTok on the application would actually allow you to save the video with a watermark. So to be able to avoid that, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Google Chrome, and then on Google Chrome, go ahead and search for Snaptic. So once you have searched for that, go ahead and click on Snaptic that app on the search results. This tool will allow you to download the TikTok videos of your choice with no watermark. So in here, you'll need to go ahead and paste the link of the TikTok video here and then click on the download button. Now in this section, you need to go ahead and click on that download video button to download that TikTok video into your device. So once this has been downloaded into your device, you can go ahead and watch it from your device. And as you can see in here, there is no watermark on any side of the video, and that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.